The top 5 shorts of 2024. Number 5. Power Tool Racing is intense, uploaded by How Ridiculous. It has got 1.41 billion views so far. Number 4. Monica Toys, Imitoy. If You Can't Imitate, uploaded by Monica Toy. It has got 1.46 billion views so far. Number 3. Ladybug Squish, DIY with Nanotape, uploaded by Joy Bam. It has got 1.59 billion views so far. Number 2. If Cleaning Was a Time Sport, Part 2, uploaded by Daniel Liebel. It has got 1.60 billion views so far. Number 1. Real Life Transforming Cinderella Dress, uploaded by Justin Flom. It has got 1.71 billion views so far.